Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into the world of Nigerian cuisine. Join me, let's make the perfect Nigerian jollof rice. You'll really have to watch this video to the end to learn the tips and secrets of this delicious recipe. First, get the stock. This plays a crucial role in Nigerian jollof rice. Season and cook goat meat. You may use protein of choice. I use red onion, dried thyme, garlic cloves, ginger, curry powder, chicken bouillon, and salt to season the meat. Mix to combine well, cover it, and steam without water for about 10 minutes. You want the meat to release its own juice. It makes it taste better. After 10 minutes, add enough water to cover the meat. The stock produced is what we will use to cook the rice. Another tip for increased deliciousness. While the meat is cooking, prepare the stew base. Cut fresh tomatoes, red onions, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers. Put them in a tray. Sprinkle some olive oil and roast for about 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting these vegetables adds to the flavor of jollof. Keep watching because I have more tips to give you. Transfer the vegetables to the food processor or blender and blend without water. This recipe is very simple to make. Just follow my step-by-step tutorial and you won't miss it. Heat up oil in a large pot. I am using extra virgin olive oil. Use what you have. Saute one chopped onion. If you have shallot, you can use it too. It increases the flavor of jollof rice. Another tip. Fry the onion and shallot until fragrant. Add chopped garlic, bay leaves, dried thyme, and curry powder. You want these herbs and spices to release their flavor in the oil. All these take the flavor of jollof rice from good to amazing. After about a minute of frying the herbs and spices in the oil, add tomato paste. I will give the full recipe in the description box, so pay attention to get the details first. Continue frying until the tomato paste is no longer sour and the oils separates. It may take up to 5 to 7 minutes depending on the quantity of the paste. Go ahead and add the red pepper mix. Cook for about 5 minutes. You may add additional oil if needed. Meanwhile, rinse the rice 3 to 4 times until the water becomes almost clear. We are using long-grain parboiled white rice. The stew is fully cooked. It's no longer sour when you taste it, and oil is settling at the top. Remove some stew for later use. The goat meat is fully cooked. Remove it from the stock and save the stock. Add the rice to the stew. Mix to combine very well. Failure to do that will result in patches of white rice after you finish cooking your jollof. You don't want that. Add the stock. Mix to combine very well. Check for salt and seasoning and adjust as needed. Adding some adobo all-purpose seasoning increases the taste and flavor of Nigerian jollof. Remember, we are making a perfect jollof rice recipe. Stick around to the end for a surprise tip that will take your jollof rice to another level. Cover the pot and bring the rice to a boil. Now cover the pot with foil and then the lid. Lower the heat and allow it to simmer until the rice becomes soft. If for some reason the stock is not enough to cook the rice, you can sprinkle some water. Mind you, we are steaming the rice, so less water is needed. While the rice is steaming, add some stew to the goat meat. Mix it well, put in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit so it will absorb the stew. It is so delicious this way. You can also fry the meat if you prefer. After about 25 minutes, our jollof rice is fully cooked, but we are not done yet. Wait for it. After fluffing the rice, add some butter and additional stew on top. Believe you me, this both takes the taste and flavor of jollof rice to another level. Cover the pot and allow the butter to melt. Our perfect Nigerian jollof rice is ready to be served and devoured, but we want to make it smoky. You don't want to miss this part of the recipe. Cover the pot, increase the heat to high, and allow the rice to smoke for about 5 minutes. Our perfect Nigerian jollof rice is ready. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more delicious and simple recipes. And don't forget to like and comment below. Let us know how your jollof turned out. For more beginner-friendly cooking tutorials and authentic Nigerian dishes, turn on your notification bell so you will never miss a new video. Happy cooking. Bye for now.